There's over 200.
Before it starts, can I just buy it for 30?
167?
160, yeah.
68?
Yeah, I think there's 168, and then there's a bunch of like motors and shit out there farther out. What you need to buy is this Apollo, dude. GTO, dude, this thing is gorgeous. Kind of stand back a little bit from the car, like where I am, just in case they come over here.
Yeah, then he's like, at least you're away from him.
At least you're not that close to it. There's a motor right there you can buy. I'm walking away with a car. I don't know which one that is right there. I'm gonna
Oh, dude, me too. I do too.
Don't call me gay, but I would suck
Oh, yeah.
YouTube video.
See, I'd be okay with that little roadster, but I love the double I. That one right there. $100,000 easy. It's not a split window. Well, they don't have any split windows. Because if it was, it would be this one here. Probably. I'm just gonna tell them, hey man, I'm just recording some videos. Like, they're sick. You can't even see them in the video. Whew.
Okay, do you know the GTO real quick?
They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
I love Mitch's car. Stole the jump. And we say bye-bye. Alright, hit the gap. Hit the gap. Go for it. Alright, I'll take a bump up here. Alright, well I hope that you guys enjoyed that little Mexico run that we did. It was a lot of fun. We actually went and checked out the Bob Rieger auction cars. And we didn't know we weren't supposed to be out there, so we were just checking it out. And security comes over and said, hey, you guys gotta leave. Alright, no worries. We'll head back out. Anyhow, there were about 6 Corvettes there. And man, do I wish I had the money to buy some of those, because Avy could have some brothers and sisters. Anyhow, we went some racing in Mexico afterwards, and that was a lot of fun. Avy missed out on that. She stayed home, which is probably best for her transmission anyways. But if you guys enjoyed that video, leave us a thumbs up, drop those comments down below. And as always, don't forget to click that red subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great night.